back to my channel Fashion and Life with Polo. So today I'm going to share a very beautiful day with you all, and as you all can see that I'm already dressed up right now because I'm going to meet my friend after almost one long year because I couldn't meet her up even during Durga Puja. Well, I was so sad about it. So I'm going to share a beautiful day with you all today, and as this is going to be my first vlog about a very random thing, so just pardon my mistakes and don't forget to stay subscribed to this baby channel because those who are already subscribed to my first YouTube channel, they already knows that I am a singer by profession. And thanks to all of you who are showing so much of love to my latest music video Mahia, and those who will be connected to this channel, please stay subscribed to that channel as well. I'm going to share the link with you all because your love is very important to me. So basically I'm going to start the day with her, and I don't know what the plan is for today because I really don't know, and I'm very excited just to meet her. We are going to start the day, we'll go for some food, for some street shopping probably, and if not street shopping then definitely some kind of shopping, some junkies, jewelries, all the sort of stuff that girls just love. Well, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just do let me know in the comment section that how am I looking in this outfit because it's my first winter outfit that I am wearing before stepping out of my house. Yeah, because it's not so cold over here yet. I'm from Kolkata, so you can understand like it's not so cold, so I'm just wearing this beautiful outfit which I love the most, and I love this top of mine, and I don't know what rubbish am I speaking, please pardon my mistakes, and just stay connected to this channel so that I can put some more beautiful vlogs like this. And I really have no plan what will be my next video and what not, what should I include, what I shouldn't, because I'm not at all a pro in all these things, but because I just wanted to communicate with you all, so here it is. Please stay connected, please show your love, and please don't forget to stay subscribed, to comment, to like, and to share with your friends, and do give your feedback to all the videos that I'll be uploading. And I'm gonna give the description of my YouTube channel links and my Instagram accounts in the description box. Please stay connected. As you guys can already see, so I'm on my way towards meeting. Right, I've taken an auto. So yeah, let's see. I can't take off my mask right now because I am outside, and I already met my friend. She is not ready for the camera right now. Here she shows her fingers. Say hi. Hello. So this is how we are going to start our day. Right now we are boarding towards the nearest mall to our place because we are not really ready to go far from our place because it's already late. More than 1 or probably 1 PM right now. So here we go. You see, I have reached this mall. I'll definitely show you guys. Like, I'm really very excited because after a long time meeting my friend, going out like girly date with her. Pardon if I'm going too wrong in this part. Stay connected so that I can show you the entire day, the fun, the food that we're going to have. You guys can already see that I've reached this mall and I'm so busy taking selfies right now. It might look so funny. It's really beautiful, but I'm not an ethnic wear person. You people have already seen that I've already taken a video while shopping. Actually, I didn't shop. It was more like a window shopping because I didn't like anything from this place. I know it's a bit nutty and funny. So let's move on for the day. Stay tuned. This is basically that Inox of the mall where we're visiting. Very messy right now. Very messy with the videos. Please pardon that because I told you it's my new channel. and I'm super confused because in this public place it's the very first time that I'm doing something like this. So yeah, just enjoy the day. I don't know, probably we're going to the food court right now and we're going to make some videos on that also, so stay connected. So guys, as you can see, I have already reached this mall long time back, and though I had no plan to have coffee and stuffs like that, but I'm already here at Waffle Witch, and we are going to have some cold coffee over here. Now let's see the taste. This is going to be super awesome, I guess. Polo, how's the coffee? Seriously? You really need 2 straws to have 1 cup of coffee? What are you doing, Polo? You know, this is got messed up and I'm just making it okay before taking some good pictures. Oh my goodness, just look at you. As you guys can already see that we have roamed the entire mall and I'm very tired right now, even after having that one big glass of cold coffee. So right now we are just going into Max. If we can get something to show. I don't know whether they'll allow me to take the video even outside. Sorry, inside. So let's just stay in the video. So as you guys have seen, I visited Max and I really didn't like anything. Though they have a vast collection, they were so colorful to see, to wear, to try, but I didn't like anything. So to be very raw, to be very honest on my YouTube channel, I didn't purchase anything. Now we'll move on to some other shop and let's see if we can get something. Stay connected. Guys, as you can see, I'm already heading towards some other place right now with my friend. But she's not ready to come on the cam. I don't know why. I will make sure that from the next time she's on my video whenever she's out with me for a vlog. And right now I'm moving towards some food joint because I'm already very hungry. Like it's been almost more than 2:30, probably more than 2:30, and usually I have my lunch by 1:30 p.m. So without much talking, I'll just post the videos of all the delicious food that we're going to have. I don't know how much I can have because I say a lot but I can't really have too much. Let's see. My place, and I have been visiting to this place very often with my mom, with my entire family, with my friends. So because we didn't have much option today staying near to this place, we opted for this one. Now I'm definitely gonna show you the food that we are going to have and all the delicious meals I can't wait for, and I'll definitely keep sharing with you also. It's quite crowded today and I'm not feeling like to take off my mask right now. We're just fixing our order for today and I don't know. Let's see how the vlog goes because I'm very new to this and I don't know how much will it be fun. I'm trying to make it as cute as possible, as good as possible, and putting all the raw videos inside. So let's see how it goes. And right now we have ordered some food. I don't know what did she order. And while eating, I'll show you the pictures here. You don't have noodles or rice? Let's have rice. So let's do it. Let's have one half. What the hell? Chicken mutton kasa is here. You know what? You're just getting recorded. So be aware of the words that you choose. No, I'm not taking your face. I'm just taking your voice right now for the vlog. Talk to you later. I'll come back to you. Sure.
I'm just gonna take off my mask just to start eating. Sweet and sour chicken you want? Okay, wait. Your face says everything. Fish you like? I don't like fish. I'm not a fishy person. What is this made food, man? What is this made food? I don't know. I've never tried because there's a list of food that I always try, including biryani and all sorts of rice and with some normal garlic chicken or chili chicken or something like that.
This inside
That's what I
only have
prefer.
those kind of things, okay? It's having
I don't know what's actually going to do.
what? Stop complaining about me. Garlic chicken?
Okay, go for garlic chicken. It sounds so yummy. I can't wait for the food.
Okay.
Let me tell you, this is one of the best restaurants from the area where I stay. And I have always opted for this one. It's always my option whenever I'm at home and I don't feel like to have the normal food that is cooked by my mom at home. I always opt for this. So
What do you want to go for
today
dessert?
here for today's lunch, and I am really confused what to have, what not to, because I don't feel like whenever I'm too much hungry and if I don't get food at that particular time, and after that when I get a lot of good dishes also, I don't feel like food. So I don't know what will I have, what won't. So let's see what.
What you want to have for dessert, baby?
Dessert? Come on, did you just see any?
Ice cream is there?
Okay, we'll go for ice cream later on. Tutti frutti. Okay. That's not bad. Tutti frutti ice cream is not bad.
We'll take only one, okay? It's a big one. Bingo.
I don't know why he's still laughing. Because she is laughing, that's the reason I'm also laughing.
Oh Lord.
This is addictive. This is literally addictive. I have been having this particular dish since I was in class 9 or 10 probably. This is addictive, I'm telling you. And they have already served one plate. That is the reason the plate looks so messy. My friend is already having. She doesn't want to show her face, but that's my part. I don't know. I might look like a Rakshas, but I can't have so much. So this is the first one. Guys, as you can already see, I'm done with my first dish. That's what we had, crispy chicken, right? Crispy chicken we had. We are already done with it. No, I'm not going to take my friend because she's not ready to come. She's too busy deciding the menu. I'm trying hard not to take her because she doesn't want. Okay. So I'm just waiting for the next dishes. I don't know what is she going to take. So you must be thinking, why am I showing this empty plate? Well, that's so stupid. I'm just gonna cut it off over here and wait till the next dish. See, the food is right in our table. I don't know from where to start. I sound so much like a Rakshas right now. See, this is my laugh forever. Okay, this is mutton biryani, I guess. Mutton biryani, right? Yeah, this is mutton biryani. This is just half, but see the quantity. I don't know whether I will be able to have it or not, even after sharing it with my friend. This is the some chicken chop or something like that I've taken. Yeah, and that's prawn noodles. Yum yum yum. I can't wait to start. I sound like a greedy person right now, and I am greedy about it right now. So we will just have it. That's my empty plate. So just stay connected so that I can post more videos like this. This is so freaking awesome. I don't know where to start.
I am so bad at taking it.
Oh Lord, just look at it. It's yum. It's yum, guys. It's yum. I should have asked the person to serve instead of serving by myself because I'm so bad. I'm so bad at it. That be our empty plates. We had so much of food
Guys, so as you
today.
can already see, I'm already very exhausted, and I have already taken my mask, used my mask, because I'm heading towards my home with my friend right now. And I feel so exhausted, I can't even talk. I had so much of food today, and I feel like I'll burst right now. Like, I can't even talk. Shit. Please don't mind if the vlog goes wrong, if I sound funny, if I sound weird. Please don't mind. I'll keep a check from the next time so that it doesn't look so funny from the next time. And I'll definitely share the food photos, food videos in this vlog with you all. So stay connected, stay tuned to both the channels. One is this one, that's my baby channel, Fashion and Life with Polo, and obviously my YouTube channel, first YouTube channel, that's Polumi Shah, for all upcoming music videos and videos of my songs that I'm going to post. So stay tuned, stay connected, and the descriptions of my Instagram accounts are right in the description box. Please stay connected and please show your love to both the babies, both my channels. So, bye. I had such an awesome day today. I don't know how much the vlog was. I don't know whether it was really that worthy or how much fun ingredient it had in it. I had no clue about it. I just had fun doing it, because in other days it was always a normal thing for me to go out with friends to any mall or for food or for shopping. No, I didn't shop anything. I saved money today. Okay, so I don't know how much I enjoyed a lot. Basically, I enjoyed a lot, and that's almost the end of my vlog for today. And I have no clue how much of good response or bad response am I going to give. Maybe it might be funny. There are some. These are my neighbors. Okay, so I'm almost towards my home right now. So bye bye. Take care. And please subscribe to my channel and show love to it. Bye guys. Bye.